Hymn number 614. Now Israel may say, and that in truth. This melody key name F major. F major means F is syllable name. The position first space. Soprano beginning note position is the same with this position. So we can sing from the do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, si, do, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, sol, do, si, do, re, fa, mi, re, mi, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, mi, sol, sol, fi, sol, mi, re, do, si, do, re, fa, mi, re, do. Now Israel may say and that in truth, if that the Lord had not our right maintained, if that the Lord had not with us remained, when cruel men against us rose to strive, we surely had been swallowed our life. Yea, when the rest against us fiercely load, the swelling tide had o'er us spread its way, the rising stream had then become our grave, the thirsting flooding, proudly swelling roar, most surely then had overwhelmed our soul. Blessed be the Lord who made us not their prey, as from the snare bird escapeth free. Their net is rent, and so escaped are we. Our holy help is in Jehovah's name.